All right, we're here at the Monona Terrace Convention Center here in Monona, Wisconsin, right near Madison. Over here, that's the freight elevator. We're not gonna ride that one. But over here, we have this elevator. The Schindler MT. This is the main elevator. One of the main elevators here. This elevator goes from floors 2 to 4. Here it is. One is locked, so we'll go down to 2. Let's get a cab view. This is actually a nice cab for an MT. I'm not gonna lie. Indicator. 4 more MT buttons. Believe these are C's. 3,500 pound capacity. We'll go up to 4. Here we go. Here at 4. 8 phone. One more ride. Kind of shocked that these buttons here got replaced. Shouldn't seem so surprising because MT is cheap sometimes. All right, here back at 4. And the call button out here is still original. There's your lantern right there. All right, there goes and that'll be it.